Hey everyone, this is the Gerber folding knife from Mr. Jimmy Boussard, 10 at 3. Copy the list. Go live. 10:53. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 5 or higher. 10:53. We have a 7. Let that catch up. 10:54. 10 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6th time, we still have 10 items on the list. Jason Evans is on the top. Wade Frey is on the bottom. Randomized 6 times. Did I call for a 7? 10:54. Last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 7. Jason Evans is the winner. Congrats, Jason. 10 items on the list. 7 times. Did I call for a 7? E-verified code. And we are done at 10:54. Thanks, everyone.